Hi guys, today we're going to be making these adorable Christmas pudding truffles. So first start by chopping up some mixed fruit and candied orange peels. Then I'm going to chop up some almonds, but use whatever nuts that you have available or you prefer. Now let's get to the fun part, melting chocolate. I'm using about 2/3 milk chocolate to 1/3 dark chocolate. For exact measurements, you can find these on the full recipe on my blog post, which I'll link down below. Roughly chop your chocolate and put it into a large heat-proof bowl with some double cream. We're then going to melt that over some lightly simmering water until it's all fully combined and delicious. Next, we're going to add our fruit and our nuts into that mixture. And then I'm going to add some brandy to keep it traditional, but you can use whatever alcohol choice you like, or if you want to make it kid-friendly, just omit it. I'm then going to add some fresh orange zest and some more brandy because it's Christmas. Then cover it with cling film and pop it in the fridge either overnight to set or for at least 3 hours. Now that it's set, we're going to take a spoonful and roll it up into a nice little truffle. Then we're going to roll each of the truffles in some cocoa powder to stop them sticking together. Next, I've got these pre-coloured fondants to make some holly and berries. So roll out tiny pieces of the red fondant into little berries. With our green fondant, we're going to sprinkle it with a bit of corn flour and roll it out quite thinly. Then, using a knife, we're going to cut out little holly leaves. If you can buy pre-made holly leaves and berries, I would highly recommend that because this took forever. Lastly, I'm just going to put a dollop of melted white chocolate on top of each of the truffles, then put on our holly. Make sure you add your holly whilst the chocolate's still wet, otherwise it won't stick. Whilst my truffles are having a final chill in the fridge, I'm going to give Mochi a treat because he's been such a good boy waiting for me patiently to finish. I give these out to my family and friends most years for Christmas, and I hope that you like them just as much as my family do. Let me know what your favourite flavour of truffle is. If you did enjoy today's video, like and subscribe as always, and I hope you have a wonderful Christmas.